Good morning, everyone. My name is Epianti. I'm here today to talk about Belgium country. My presentation lasts about 20 minutes. At the end of my talk, there will be a chance to ask questions. This talk is divided into four main parts. First, I will talk about the language used in Belgium. There are three languages used in Belgium. One, Netherlands. Dutch language is used by the Flandrian tribe, Vlamingen, with a population of 60% who use it in Belgium. Two, France. 35% of the population in Belgium with the Wallonians. Wallons use French as the official language. Three, German. German-speaking ethnic groups Dutch less than 1% of the population. Second, I will talk about the education system in Belgium. Education in Belgium is compulsory between the age of 6 and 18 or until someone graduates from secondary school. The various stages of education are the same in all communities. 1. Basic education. Basic education consists of preschool education and elementary school. Age at preschool education is less than 6 years, whereas in the elementary school they are 6 to 12 years old. 2. Middle education. Students take secondary education at the age of 12 to 18 years. Higher education can go to university or polytechnic vocational universities. Education in Belgium is regulated and is largely funded by one of three communities, namely Flemish, French, and German speaking. Schools can be divided into three groups. 1. Community-owned school. 2. Subsidized public school. This school is organized by provinces and cities. 3. Free subsidized school. Organized by organizations affiliated with the Catholic Church. Thirdly, I will talk about the travel destination in Belgium. 1. Grand Place. The beauty of the Grand Place Square even makes it called one of the most beautiful squares in Europe. The square is surrounded by luxurious community halls and two large buildings, the Brussels City Hall and the Brit House. In France, Maison du Roi, Netherlands, Bordeaux, which is the site of the Brussels City Museum, as well as the site is part of the UNESCO World Heritage Site. 2. Atomium. Atomium is a 103-meter high monument which was built in Brussels, Belgium in the context of Expo 58, a world fair in 1958. The design looks like an atomic arrangement. The window on the topmost bar presents a view of the city of Brussels, while the other bar shows exhibitions in the 1950, except for the three balls that are closed to visitors because they do not have vertical support. 3. Pierre Marcolini Chocolatier. Pierre Marcolini is famous for chocolate, truffles, and macarons, which are present in beautiful package. 4. Parc de Skedner. Skedner Park is a park located in the eastern region of Brussels in Belgium. The shape of the building resembles the letter U and a monument that you can find in the middle of a park surrounded by green grass and dance. 5. Castle Grevenstein. The building is still very old but looks majestic because of its classic elements and routine maintenance. If you visit this castle, you will be present with a view like a foreign movie. 6. Durbuy. Durbuy is the small village in the world because this village is only inhabited by 500 people and the building is very unique and ancient. In this village, the village atmosphere will be served very warm and feels in the world of Harry Potter. 7. Dinan. Dinan is a river located about 65 kilometers south of the Belgium capital. Around this river, there are also other attractions such as the Cape of the Cape and the Cape of the Dinan. Lastly, I will talk about the daily food and well-known foods in Belgium. Belgium cuisine traditionally appreciates regional and seasonal ingredients. Okay, 1. Belgium fries. In Belgium, fried potatoes are very different because the savory is not excessive. If you are in a restaurant in Brussels, don't try to say French fries. You just mention fries or frites. 2. Belgian chocolate. Belgian chocolate is homemade chocolate that is truly produced in Belgium, no matter the brand or method of manufacture. Although the method is the same but not made in Belgium, the chocolate is not Belgian chocolate. 3. Waffle. Belgium waffle have a soft texture and chocolate is very distinctive. 4. Mollusc frites. Scallops in mollusc frites served with French fries. 5. Ratatouilleries. Processed from a mixture of rice and other ingredients in order to expand like this process bread has a savory, tasty, even though the presentation is sprinkled with sugar. 6. Caberdans. Caberdans is a cut candy in Belgium that is super delicious. Caberdans allows you to enjoy the sensation of eating chewy candy whose contents melt on the tongue. 7. Waterzooi. Waterzooi is a stale dish from Belgium and originates from Flanders. 8. Koek de Dinan. Koek de Dinan is a very hard sweet biscuit from the southern city of Dinan in Wallonia. Conclude. Finally, may I say that both Belgium and Indonesia certainly have a different culture. Therefore, cross-cultural discussion is important that needs to be carried out for a vacation to the country. And I like everything about Belgium. Thank you for your attention. Are there any more questions?